Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera and then scroll down and click on storage. Now clear the cache memory and app data of camera. So to clear the app data, click on clear data and then click on delete. Now after doing this, restart your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel and click on this power icon. Now here click on this restart icon and then again click on restart to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating the software, your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open camera app. Click on this settings icon and then scroll down and here click on reset settings. Now here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on this reset option here, it will reset your camera settings. So that's how you can fix the camera distortion issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.